344 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 7 September 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 7 September 2020, 588 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 21,173. Total active cases in the state stands at 4,501. Total recovered cases stands at 16,427. Total 245 deaths are reported till 7 September 2020. 66 years male from Chimpal, 66 years male from Merces, 83 years male from Siridao admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital, all with comorbid conditions, expired on 6 September 2020. 83 years male from Karaswada, 54 years male from Khandola, 52 years male from Bedki admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital, all with comorbid conditions, expired on 7 September 2020. 55 years female from Ravanford admitted at ESI Hospital, and 46 years male from Askau admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital, expired on 7 September 2020. Out of 1,560 samples tested, 850 are negative, 344 are positive, 366 reports awaited. At present, patient in isolation wards are 157. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 32, as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 7 September 2020. Breakup of total 4,501 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Bicholim 100, CSC Sakre 256, CSC Pernam 191, CSC Walpai 157, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 211, USC Panji 216, Primary Health Center, PSC Altona 112, PSC Bedki 122, PSC Kandolim 36, PSC Kansarvarnam 79, PSC Korwai 141, PSC Kolle 122, PSC Chimbal 153, PSC Chuolim 127, PSC Porvorim 278, PSC Mayam 74, Travelers by Road Flight Train 7. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 103, CSC Kankona 91, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 440, USC Vasco 220, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 78, PSC Kansaulim 95, PSC Chinchanim 39, PSC Kortalim 129, PSC Kurtorim 52, PSC Lutolim 97, PSC Marsaim 42, PSC Kapam 81, PSC Sangam 66, PSC Shirada 100, PSC Dharbandara 80, PSC Ponda 319, PSC Navilim 87. Bed capacity in COVID Care Center as on 7 September 2020 are as follows. District North total capacity 545, current vacancy 205. District South total capacity 1006, current vacancy 437. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.